Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this mosquito bug killer. It's like a bug trapper outside. Ooh, nice and big. And you can hook it up, hang it out outside onto, something like that. Plug it in. Here is the on button. I like it's kind of fashionable, so it kind of look like something, nice in your patio. The mosquitoes will be drawn to the light and then they'll get trapped in there. So you can unscrew these and then you can pop the lid off and then you can throw the bugs out when they land under there. And there's also a little hole, maybe they can come out there. Super easy to use, easy to set up, and literally you get it, you plug it in, that's it. If you'd like to purchase this mosquito killer, check out the link below, and for more product reviews, continue watching, subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.